got some rest after 2 very long days on the slow boat, and now we're gonna adventure the town today.
Gonna get some breakfast, and then we've heard that there's an amazing waterfall we've got to check out here, so we're definitely gonna do that.
So this bamboo bridge is actually only open about 6 months during the year, because obviously the river, when the tide comes up, actually completely submerges this bridge. And it's actually been built by a local family here, so to cross the bridge you have to pay 5,000 kip, which isn't very much, and that also goes to the family that has made this bridge.
So ladies first, Jaspreet's going to test the bridge out.
Because I'm the brave one, obviously, I'll go first.
Alright, now I've got to catch Jaspreet up because she's walking a bit too fast for my liking.
So we've almost made it to the end of the bridge. There's quite a few people on the bridge at the same time with us, which made it a little bit scarier.
A little bit shaky.
So I'm not quite sure how much weight bamboo can take, but it seems pretty strong.
So this place has the best food ever. So what do you make of the food here, Jaspreet?
So we came here last night for dinner and it was amazing. Both had some pretty epic burgers, and now we've come back for breakfast.
The first impressions of Luang Prabang. It's a really chilled out atmosphere. It's quite a cool, calm, tranquil little town slash city. Really enjoying it so far. And now it's time to check out those waterfalls. So welcome to Kuang Si Waterfall. See the sign behind us here. So we're going to spend the rest of the day checking this waterfall out. There's also a bear rescue centre here. So we'll see some soft cuddly bears and also some grizzly bears. All of the bears here are rescued from poachers who are using their bile in their stomach for medicines in Far East Asian medicine. So they're normally kept alive for long periods of time in these tiny little cages where their bile is continuously extracted. So all the bears here have been saved from that.
It's so pretty! So it's moments like this that make us realise how lucky we are to be out on this trip and how fortunate we are to see beautiful things like this. So we found a really nice bench by the waterfall that no one else had found. Thinking it'd be a nice quiet spot just to relax and kind of take it in, but then this happened.
It was Jaspreet's red hair. Everyone saw it. It's like a big beacon.
take a bamboo raft to the source of the actual waterfall. Baby, what do they usually say if there's water in the boat?
You're in trouble.
So, as you can probably see around me, we have been completely engulfed in the canopy of the trees around us. It's getting a little bit darker as well because the trees are blocking out all the sun. I'm hoping that means we're getting closer to the source.
So we're at the source of the waterfall. I'm very close to the camera because it's very loud right now, and there's 6 little mini waterfalls all around us here, which creates all of that pressure for the big waterfall that we've just seen. So it's pretty interesting to see because the water's quite calm actually, but the noise is so loud. So wherever you are right now, it feels like we're in a scene in the Jungle Book. Both the cartoon and the live action movie, both of them, it feels absolutely surreal. We're up in the source now, right up here, you can see.
We've climbed